Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to access Roblox Studio on mobile devices. While Roblox Studio is primarily designed for desktop computers, offering a comprehensive suite of tools for game creation, many creators wish to build on the go. Unfortunately, a fully native mobile application for complete development is not officially available. However, there are several effective methods and workarounds to help you access and even create within Roblox Studio using your phone or tablet. We will explore these options together. You might wonder why a dedicated mobile app for Roblox Studio isn't available. The primary reasons stem from the application's complexity. Roblox Studio demands substantial processing power and memory, which can challenge many mobile devices. Furthermore, its intricate user interface, designed for precise mouse and keyboard input, does not translate well to touchscreen controls. This makes detailed three-dimensional modeling, scripting, and intricate game design very difficult on a phone or tablet, leading Roblox to focus on the desktop experience. Despite the lack of a native app, several effective workarounds exist. You can use remote desktop applications like Chrome Remote Desktop or TeamViewer to control your home computer, running Roblox Studio directly from your mobile device. Cloud PC services, such as Shadow or Boosteroid, also provide virtual desktops accessible via mobile. Additionally, the in-game experience called Studio Lite offers a simplified creation environment, allowing you to build and even publish games. For basic management, access create, Roblox, COM in your mobile browser's desktop mode. When developing for Roblox, remember that over 80% of players access games on mobile devices. Design your experiences with touch controls and smaller screens in mind. While full development on mobile is challenging, you can use mobile-friendly code editors for Lua scripting or note-taking apps to plan your game ideas. Always test your creations on different mobile devices to ensure smooth gameplay and an optimal user experience. These strategies will help you create engaging games for a broad audience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.